Hi everyone, this is Sandy Create the Hearts, and I'm back with another voiceover scrap crafty haul. So I'm starting off with my July kit of the month. So La La Land Crafts has kind of changed how their kits look. I actually really like how they look. They're in their regular basic packaging. The only problem with that is, I'm not keeping the kits kind of together. I'm separating them, but that's okay. So I'm really loving the kits. They're great value, and I love La La Land Crafts. So it's Relaxing Marcy rubber stamp, and then we get the Sloth Mode clear stamp and 3 dies. So we got the hammock die, the beach umbrella die, and the beach sign die. So we get 10% off on our next order. And let's see what else. There's also a link to go and see some ideas. So here is our beach Marcy. She's kind of leaning, so you could put her in the hammock, or you could sit her in a floaty, or, she could sit in a tree, lay on the couch. She kind of has that vibe. So I'm liking her. So we got a couple of sentiments. And then here is Sloth Mode. So the sloth is designed so that it can hang either on the hammock or on a tree. So you can see the body is cut in half in that one. So you have some options. I'm going to have to figure out how to color sloths because I don't really think I know what they look like. So I'm going to have to see. This is a beach sign. At first, when I looked at it, I forgot what it was supposed to be, and I was super confused. So I had to go back and look at my little cheat sheet that told me that it's a beach sign, and that little pile is a pile of sand, I guess. So here's the hammock, which I think is really fun. I'm actually very excited about the hammock die. And then a very large umbrella, which I think is cool. And let's see, what am I going to go towards next? I think I'm going to do Pink Fresh Studio, I think I used my 15% off coupon on a couple of items. I think a couple items were on clearance, including this plate, which I'm really liking these plates that just kind of give a subtle texture, almost like an embossing folder. And then these were also on clearance, so I picked those up. And then I picked up a suite of products I've been wanting for a while, and that is the sort of Get Well Soon suite. So I got the stamp, the die, and the stencil, and I'm excited to try this out and make some Get Well cards. I usually just use my one Mama Elephant Get Well Soon stamp set. I am loving the things that we see different, meaning like not flowers. So I'm excited about this set because it's a little different. Not that I don't love the flowers, because I do. It's just nice to see some other things. And what I really love about this is that you stamp it, and then you stencil it and die cut it, and you have like all these pieces at once. So I'm a fan of that. So I can't wait to use that. Be looking out, hopefully, for projects. And moving on to the rabbit hole. And from there, I got a couple of things that were on clearance, and then one thing that was not. So I really liked this cupcake and the little watermelon pops and the watermelon drink. They have one for like a bunch of different fruits. So they have like a pineapple one, which I was really tempted to get. I couldn't get them all, but I definitely want to keep my eye out for some of the other ones. I think they're very cute. And the die. And then these were on clearance. This is part of their Alice in Wonderland, series of things they have. I find that Alice, they're a little bit crazy, so I didn't get them. I mean, who knows, I might get them in the future, but I didn't get them. But the backgrounds I really like. So I did get those. I think they're going to be somewhat fun, so I'm going to give those, a go. They were on clearance, and it'll be fun. So I got this one that has like the castle, and then this one which is the Mad Hatter Tea Party-ish which, you know, is fun. And then there was free gifts. So I got this love die, and they give you a little paper clip and a little bit of sequins, and so that's fun. So got that. And then I think this was the buy 3 get 1 free promo from the Green Farm, and I don't know if I have all 4 stamps out there or if I am missing one. But here are the stamps that I chose to get that I've been looking. Oh, here's the 4th one. So maybe it's the 4th one, I don't know. But the Poolside Vibes, and then this little Peeps one, which is adorable, and this one right here, Loving Her, and she's really cute, so she can hold all those different things. This Fashionista one, where you can dress her up, and this like kind of stay-at-home one, which I think is adorable. So that was a buy 3, get the 4th free from the Green Farm. So on to Tailored Expressions. I have quite a few Tailored Expressions items, as usual, to share with you guys. And I'm excited to share the products I have. I don't know why I'm not getting to the main. Oh, I was looking for my stamp club. This is their combo club. It's a stamp and stencil combo that I subscribe to. I absolutely positively love this stamp so much. I did use it and discovered that the stencils don't match up. And apparently that is a problem with this particular stamp. So they are sending us new stencils with our last kit. But I did soldier on and still try to make a way to use it. And it is freaking cute. I love it. So I'm excited to use that some more because it's amazing. So I did get some accompanying things, including the Shiny Happy Sentiments, which is just a fabulous, this one's for foiling, but somewhere I have the stamp and the dies, I believe, for it, and it's great. So it's going to go really well with that stamp set, but I really see it with gnomes and just a bunch of other things that I have in my collection that I think is just going to be really fun. So I really just like the font, the kind of the bubble. It's just fun. It has that 70s vibe, so I'm pretty stoked about it. So can't wait to play with that. And also they have their, kind of mixing up my days, but they've got their Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursdays where they bring back products that were limited release. And then you also can buy accompanying products that are new that kind of go with those things. So in this case, this is Hedge Hugs, which was a free with 100. And then they also had the stamp set. So in this case, I went ahead and picked up the cutting plate and the dies that go with the sentiments for the Hedge Hugs. And if you buy anything in the Throwback Thursday, then you get some color sheets. Flower Fields, which I discovered actually don't have the stamp and die that goes with that. So I guess I might be getting it, or not. I might just use the 3D embossing folder, which are like my new favorite thing. So I did get that embossing folder. And then here are the cards. So you get 4, I think it's 4 of these cards. Eventually, I will have saved up enough cards that I will not need color cubes. I'll have all these cards that I'm collecting. So I haven't even busted out a way to use them. I've been so busy. And then this was my stamp combo club for last month. I don't know if I showed it or not. This one is a fun one, and you could stamp these flowers and you could separate them. You can just do 1 or 2 or whatever, but very pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I haven't figured that out. This was a freebie. I don't know if I shared that before, but that was a freebie sometime. I don't know what. And then the free with $100 rainbow plate for last month. I have a bunch of these. I have a couple, so I'm going to be holding them for, I don't know if it's a giveaway or a destash, but I do have some good things. So it's very pretty. And I just ordered the stencils for that. They have a stencil. So this was kind of a little packaged kit. Oh, I'm going to go into this. This was the freebie for the current month. I think that one was June, was that rainbow plate, and July was this one. I have a couple of them, so same thing. And then the last thing is this little kit from Tailored Expressions. So during Stamp Joy, which is their virtual retreats, they came out with these half sheets, and now they've got volume 2. And what this is it's like the old One Sheet Wonder, except it's a half sheet. So instead of being a full sheet of stamping and then cutting it up to make a bunch of cards, it's a half sheet. And then it gives you different layouts to make for different cards, which I think is fun. I'm really enjoying sort of the layout help resurgence that has been happening recently with a lot of companies. So this is volume 2, made out of the same material. And then if you bought the kit, you bought some paper. So some paper right there. And here is sort of the stamp and die that came with the kit. And so the idea is you can stamp these and you can create your own background paper, and then you have the little bits that you can kind of add and create something. But these images are very classic, so you definitely can use these totally however you want. I mean, just use them as in a traditional way. So very cute. I like it. So I got it. And I think that might be it. Well, oh yeah, they give us these little freebies every month. And this year they actually gave us something to hold these on. And they also gave us, we could buy a die that goes with it that cuts them out. I have not used these yet. I have every month. But no matter what size order, you get this freebie. They get a freebie. And in the past, it's been a die, and sometimes it's been a stamp. So it's very, very cute. This one's an ice cream cone. So that's fun. And everybody gets that every month. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crank the Heart.